Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick and easy face painting tutorial, Simone is going to show you the split cake Hot Beach by Diamond FX. So I wanted her to show you this split cake because it is gorgeous. It is purple with pink and yellow and it is called Hot Beach. And I think that is a very fitting name for the color combination in this split cake. So the base was done with this split cake, and for the ocean we are using Captain Obvious, which has all blue colors in there. Once the beach and the ocean are on the skin, Simone continues to the Essential Black by Diamond FX, just to create kind of the waves to go with this design. As you can see, it is a pretty easy one. Basic White by Diamond FX to complete the ocean. A few stars, obviously. And with a lovely blue lipstick, our Hot Beach face paint tutorial for today is done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos.